You can feel the tension. You can feel the tension in the air. Why? Hey guys, welcome to Jebel Jais mountain. This is the highest mountain in the UAE, and today I'm doing something stupid, going to the top and jumping off the longest zip wire in the world. Yalla, here we go. I'm not scared. I am not scared, and I'll tell you why I'm scared, because I'm not scared. So 2/3 of the way up Jebel Jais mountain, you reach the base station of the zip wire. So if you look up there, that's the top of the zip wire. That's where you jump. And the cables, you might not quite see them, but the cables run straight over my head and are down into this kind of suspended middle part. It's 50 meters above the ground. And from there you transfer on another wire down to there. Okay, so we're on the bus up to the top of Jebel Jais to start the zip line. How are you feeling, bro?
Scared.
Scared?
If you can see it, literally.
It sounds like a jet engine. We just stood under a couple of guys going down, and woof, it was like an airplane. We can fly, bro.
You can fly.
Alright, let's get the helmet sorted. We're GoPro suited and booted up. We've got the harnesses on, ready to go, and got the parachute on the back there.
Lifesaver.
Lifesaver. Hopefully we won't need it. So that's where we're going next. Not scared, man. Not scared at all.
Never.
No nerves. Only one pair of boxer shorts today. Fuck. What the fuck are we doing?
Why are we here?
Why? Why do we do this?
And now the funny part is when the engine gets broken. Then you have the zip line. 1,000 acre.
So here we are, finally at the very, very top. This is the launch pad where we are going to jump in just a few minutes. The air is fresh. My heart's beating a little bit faster. Honestly, the drive up here just on this little road with that van, that was pretty scary in its own right. Okay, yalla, let's get on with it.
Iron Man. Happy birthday!
Shiny.
Yep, nice and orange.
Sorry?
Oh, this side of the cable. What are you doing? Why are you doing this?
Just don't look. Hands down.
And you ready? Put your hands back.
Oh my god. You one last time? See you in heaven. See you in heaven or tomorrow. We'll see. Which one?
Ready?
Oh my god!
That was insane.
Wow. Wow. My eyes are watering, man, all the way. I can see it. Wow, wow, wow. That was good.
Insane. That was insane.
Oof. I wasn't crying, by the way. I just got a little bit of a little bit of moisture in my eyes.
Tears in my eyes.
Tears of joy. Tears of joy. Wow, that's incredible.
That was amazing.
It's finally finished. The adrenaline is still pumping a little bit. Wow.
That was insane.
If you could describe it in one word, insane?
Insane.
I'd say,
everyone should try it once, at least.
yeah, you should definitely try this. Come to Ras al Khaimah. ToroVerde is the name of the company. Tickets going to cost about 680 dirham. You can buy them online. All in all, a good experience. Would you do it again?
Yes.
That's a yes. All right. As another one comes. Yalla, let's go.